Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another AMC video. This time we're going to be covering problem number 23 from the 2024 exam. Okay, let's get started. Rodrigo has a very large sheet of graph paper. First, he draws a line segment connecting point 04 and to point 20 and colors the four cells whose interiors intersect the segment, as shown below. Okay, so where the line passes, he's coloring those squares which it touches in. Okay. Next, Rodrigo draws a line segment connecting point 2000, 3000 to point 5000, 8000. How many cells will he color this time? Okay, so first of all, what is this problem asking us? Okay, it's asking if we connect these 2 points with a line, how many squares will they touch, right? So whichever squares he touches, he's gonna color. So, for example, in this scenario, with the smaller example, the line is touching these 4 squares. So, he's going to color in 4 squares. So, how do we do this? We can't just graph a line from 2000 to 3000 manually, or 2000, 3000 to 5000, 8000 manually, and just color squares. That's not going to be possible, at least within a few days. So, how would we do this? Well, the key thing here is to scale the things down. Notice how instead of 2000, 3000, we can just have 2, 3, and 5, 8. We don't necessarily need 1000 on there because at the end we can multiply by 1000. How many ever squares it touches. Okay, so now all we have to do is find the line of 2, 3, 2, 5, 8. And see how many, squares it touches. So let's make this even simpler. Instead of plotting 2, 3, well, we can plot 2, 3 pretty easily, but 5, 8 is not on this graph. So instead of doing all that, let's just estimate the line. So let's say the lines are going to start here at 0, 0. We know that it's going to touch 5, 8. So let's say over here is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be somewhat like this. And look, it touches pretty close to this line, so we can just use that as a reference point. So drawing a bit of a neater line. Okay, that's going to be our line. And now, how many squares does this touch? Well, let's count. So we have 1. All right, let's do it in a different color. 1, 2, barely touches this. 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it touches 7 squares. But wait, we're not done, because obviously 7 is not any of the answer choices. We have to multiply by 8000. And that is just going to give us a nice and easy answer of 7,000. 7,000, yeah. So that's why C is going to be our answer for this problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just remember, whenever you're given large, seemingly impossible problems like this, the key is just to scale it down and in the end multiply by what you scaled. So yeah, that's it for this video. So please like and subscribe, guys, so I can keep growing this channel for you guys to learn. See ya.